Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can contact support in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap on your MyEtherWallet from your home screen. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in the PIN code number to get back the access of your account. Then simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings and Support. There you can see the Contact Support option, so simply tap on it. Then you will be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do is select any of the medium or method to get the contact support from the MyEtherWallet team. So once you select a medium to send them a message or ask them for any kind of help by chatting with the persons available, you can simply contact support in MyEtherWallet app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.